Nail brushes, scrubbing to clarity. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting English phrase, nail brush. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it, then stick around. The phrase, nail brush, is made up of two words, nail and brush. Let's look at them separately. Nail. This usually refers to the hard, clear layer on the upper side of the tip of your fingers and toes. We all have them, and some of us love painting them. Brush. A tool with bristles, typically used for cleaning, grooming, or painting. When combined, the phrase, nail brush, refers to a small brush used to clean under and around the nails. Just like our hands, our nails can get dirty too, especially under the nails where dirt and germs can hide. A nail brush is specifically designed to 1. Clean beneath the nails. The stiff bristles can help remove any trapped dirt, making your nails look cleaner. 2. Maintain hygiene. Regularly cleaning beneath your nails can help in keeping your hands germ-free. 3. Enhance appearance. Clean nails are more aesthetically pleasing, especially if you're someone who loves to flaunt nail art. Using a nail brush is simple. 1. Wet the brush. Before starting, make sure the brush is wet, preferably with warm water. 2. Apply soap. A little soap on the brush can help in removing dirt more effectively. 3. Scrub gently. Place the bristles under the nail tip and scrub back and forth. Do this for all your nails. 4. Rinse and dry. Once done, rinse your hands and the brush thoroughly, and pat dry with a towel. And that's all about the phrase, nail brush. Remember, keeping our nails clean is not just about looking good, but it's also about hygiene. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept of a nail brush. Stay curious and keep learning.